When you try to close the garage door, that's what happens. It's because sometimes the sun is so powerful outside in Vegas that it blinds the sensors. These are the sensors on the side of the garage door, and these are causing the problem. This sensor, it's a beam that has to talk to that sensor over there, and because the sun is so shiny in Vegas, they don't want to talk to each other sometimes. So today I went on Amazon and I bought the Genie universal sensors. I'm going to replace them. They look different, they're newer, easy to put on. This should fix the problem. These are the sensors. One has a green light, one has a yellow, red light. One goes on one side, one goes on the other. By the way, the garage repairman wanted to replace the entire garage door because that's more money for them. But you know what? I was laughing my ass off while I was kicking him off my property. Got him installed, took me about 2 minutes. Let's see if it's gonna work. This is the most awkward moment you've seen in a long time, right? $25 or $1,000 for a new garage door if you go by the repairman.